lovelies, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I installed these gorgeous clipping extensions in a deep curly texture from Lavyhair. For this look, I'm using 2 packs of the seamless 5mm width clipping extensions. Each pack comes with 7 pieces, and the length I'm working with today is 22 inches. The texture, as you can see, is beautifully deep coily. Let's talk about the quality of this hair for a moment. It is incredibly soft, thick from root to tip, and absolutely lustrous. The extensions are made from 100% high quality 12A grade virgin human hair. That means you can easily restyle, bleach, dye, and reuse them multiple times without worrying about shedding or tangling. It is very long lasting when properly maintained. Before installing the extensions, I made sure to wash and condition them properly. I started by adding a generous amount of my favorite shampoo, Tresemme, followed by a moisturizing conditioner to soften the coils. I also sprayed leave-in conditioner infused with argan oil for added shine, moisture, and manageability. So my pro tip for you, if you're planning to install your hair in the evening, it will be best to wash and hair dry your extension early in the morning, or better yet, prepare them the night before, so that way they'll be dry and ready for styling when you need them. Next, I prepped my natural hair for installation. Guys, look at my natural hair, is growing beautifully. I parted out a section in front to leave out for blending later, and then divided the rest of my hair into 4 sections, and then I went ahead to braid each sections, and I'll be tucking in the ends of each section one by one. This step creates a flat base for clippings and ensures a seamless, natural looking finish. The actual installation process was super easy and beginner friendly. I simply picked each extension, unclipped it, and securely clipped it onto my braided base. I repeated the process until my head was fully covered. Once I had all the clips in place, I styled the section I left out. First, I applied Tresemme leave-in conditioner and then little hair jam to slick and define the parting area. It's a very good brushing. And next, I'm gonna be twisting that section to blend in with the extension. And there you have it, lovelies, a gorgeous, coily, voluminous look achieved effortlessly with these beautiful clipping extensions from Lavyhair. It is super easy to install, very beginner friendly, and gives you that natural seamless finish. And finally, to switch up the look a bit, I added a cute headband accessory which gave the hairstyle a different vibe. I've left the link to this hair in the video description, so feel free to check it out and grab a set for yourself. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tutorials, beautiful hair tips, and lifestyle content. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.